Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a short wheelbase Volkswagen Transporter panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. This Transporter is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will see front fog lights and front parking sensors. This Transporter also has two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. As we move up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors on this van are also heated and power folding. This would be a great advantage leaving the van on a busy road and for cold winter months. Also, to this side of the van, you will notice a manual sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. You'll also notice that the load area is fully wood ply-lined, including the floor. To the back of the van, you will notice a tailgate without window. As we move across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. This van is also fitted with standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a Transporter badge and a VW emblem on the tailgate. Looking back into the load area, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. As we look across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And here we have the inner tailgate. This Transporter is painted in Indium Grey, which is a metallic paint. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As we look across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Looking to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead again. This van is also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. You'll also notice on the driver's seat, it has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This van is also fitted with auto headlights. Moving back to the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 9,568 miles. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system also has App Connect. This would allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and one of my downloaded music apps. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this system is fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. This van is also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. This fan is also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the DSG automatic gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a short wheelbase Volkswagen Transporter panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 70 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When you are in contact with the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.